we are in chapter 11, linear equation and inequation, and we have seen these explanations in the previous class and examples, and we have also started the exercise 11.1. We have started from 1 to 14 we have completed. The questions from 1 to 14 we have completed. Today we will see 15 to 21. So get ready, bring your book, open your book and open to this page so that you will understand better. First open your book and just go through it and then see the remaining part of the video. Then you will understand better. Exercise 11.1. Let's begin from 15 today. Question number 15 says x plus 1 upon 2 plus x minus 4 is equal to 2x plus 5 upon 8. Here, if you see, 2 and 4 are the denominator in the left hand side of the equal sign. Let's find the LCM of this one. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So, in the numerator, we'll write 2x plus 1 plus x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 5 upon 8. Now on the left hand side, on simplifying, we get 2x plus 2 plus x minus 1 upon 4. And right hand side will copy as it is. And the next step, x plus 1, 3x plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 2x plus 5 upon 8. Now in the left hand side, in the corner, 3x plus 1 upon 4 into 8 is equal to 2x plus 5 upon 8 into 8. Now we are multiplying both the side by 8. We are multiplying both the side by 8. So this one you should write it. Now go up in the right hand side. 3x plus 1 whole thing divided by 2 is equal to 2x plus 5. Now in the next step, 6x plus 2 is equal to 2x plus 5. And in the next step, 6x plus 2 minus 5 is equal to 2x plus 5 minus 5. Here we have to subtract on the both the side 5, and we get in the next step 6x minus 3 is equal to 2x. 6x minus 3 is equal to 2x we have got now. In the next step, what we have to do is we have to subtract both the side by minus 2x. Now in the left hand side you see minus 2x we have written in between. So 6x minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 2x. So 2x minus 2x becomes 0 in the right hand side. So we are left with 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Next step we get 4x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0 plus 3. When 0 plus 3 we get just 3, and in the next step we get what? 4x is equal to 3. In the next step, what we have to do? We have to remove the 4. In order to remove the 4 is divided by 4 into x is equal to 3 upon 4. So 4 get cancelled and we get the result we get in the left hand side x is equal to 3 upon 4. 16th question. X minus 3 upon 2 plus x minus 3 upon 3 plus x minus 7 upon 6 is equal to 1. Now solution. When you see solution here, 2, 3, 6 are the denominators. 2, 3, 6 at the bottom. 2, 3, 6 are denominator. So you have to find the LCM of this one. LCM of this one is 6 itself. In the next step, you will find the 6 in the bottom. Now in the numerator, you will find x minus 3 is multiplied by 3 and x minus 3 is multiplied by 2, and in the right hand side 2x minus 7 we have is equal to 1. Right hand side will be as it is. In the next step, we find 7x minus 22 upon 6 is equal to 1. Now here we have to remove 6. In order to remove 6, both the side we have to multiply it by 6. Can you see it is multiplied? So we get 6 is reduced. So we get 7x minus 22 is equal to 6. In the next step, we have to remove 22. So we have to add 22 to the both the sides in order to remove 22. So in the next step, 22 is removed, but we get 7x is equal to 28. Now in the left hand side, we have 7x. So this 7x has to be removed by dividing 7 on the both the side. Okay, dividing both the sides by 7, we get what? X is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. So this is the result. 17th question. X plus 1 upon 2 minus x upon 3 is equal to 1. Here, solution. 2 and 3 are the denominators. So you have to find the LCM of this one. So LCM of this we get is what? 6. So in the numerator we get x plus 1 is multiplied by 3 and minus 2x we get is equal to 1. Just follow the fraction rule. So we get 3x plus 3 minus 2x. But 3x and minus 2x we have to subtract. So we get 1x. 1x on the next side. So now we have got x plus 3 upon 6 is equal to 1 actually. But in the left hand side 6 we have to remove. In order to remove the 6 we have to multiply 6 on both the sides. 1 step is missing here, so you can write it. Now finally we get x plus 3 is equal to 6, and the next step we get x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to x minus 3. Here we are subtracting 3 on both the side to remove the 3 on the left hand side. Finally we get x is equal to 3. Question number 18. X plus 7 upon 2 minus x plus 1 upon 3 is equal to x plus 1 upon 2. Solution. Before doing the solution, you can see the denominator at the up in the question. 2, 3, LCM of 2, 3 is what? 6. So now in the numerator, x plus 7 is multiplied by 3, x plus 1 is multiplied by 2, and right hand side will remain as it is. Now in the numerator we will get 3x plus 21 minus 2x plus 2 upon 6, and the right hand side will remain as it is. Now x plus 19 upon 6 is equal to x plus 1 upon 2 we will get. In order to remove 6 denominator in the left hand side of equal sign, we have to multiply both the side by 6. So on multiplying and cancelling we get left hand side x plus 19 is equal to x plus 1 into 3 we get. So on simplify again in the next step we get what? X plus 19 is equal to 3x plus 3. Now in the next step we will remove 19 by 3 in the right hand side by subtracting 3 to both the side. So in the next step we are left with x plus 16 is equal to 3x. Now here we have to remove x. In order to remove x, we have to subtract x on the both the side. So x minus x plus 16, 3x minus x. So in the next step we get 16 is equal to 2x alone. Now in the right hand side we have 2x. This 2x has to be removed. In order to remove 2, we have to divide both the side by 2. So on dividing, finally we get x is equal to 8. So we can write x is equal to 8. Though we have written here 8 minus x, but then we can write x is equal to 8. Question number 19. 2x plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus x minus 2 is equal to 12. Solution: 2 whole thing multiplied x plus 1 is multiplied by 2 plus x minus 2 is equal to 12. We'll keep right hand side as it is, but in the left hand side on multiplying we get what? 2x plus 2 plus x minus 2 is equal to 12. So on simplifying we get 3x is equal to 12, and this 3 we have to remove in the left hand side. In order to remove 3 we have to divide 3 on both the side. So can you see in the second last step, 3 on both the side. In order to remove the left hand side 3 we have to do this. Finally we get value of x as 4. Question number 20. 2 upon 3x minus 3 upon 2x is equal to 1 upon 12. Solution: same thing, just copy it. Here we get 3x and 2x as the denominator. We have to find the LCM of this. On finding the LCM of this, 3 into 2 we get 6, and x into x we get x square. So in the numerator we have 4x minus 9x, and the right hand side of equal sign we will write as it is, 1 upon 12. Now after simplifying we get minus 5x upon 6x square is equal to 1 upon 12. Now 6x square at the denominator we have to remove it. In order to remove we have to multiply both the side by 6. So ultimately we get in the next step minus 5x is equal to x square upon 2. Now here 2 we have to remove. In order to remove 2 we have to multiply 2 on both the sides. 2 on what? Both the sides. So minus 5x into 2 we get, and equal to x square upon 2 into 2 we get. So ultimately we get what? Minus 10x is equal to x square. Now in the next step we have to reduce the x, remove the x. In order to remove the x, divide both the sides by what? X. So we get value of x as minus 10. So minus 10 will be our answer of question number 20. Coming to the last question, question number 21. 2 upon 5x minus 5 upon 2x is equal to 1 upon 15. Solution: 2 upon 5x minus 5 upon 2x is equal to 15. Now 5x and 2x are the denominator. We have to find the LCM of all these 5x and 2x. So at the bottom you can see next step, 10x square is the LCM. 10x square you should keep in mind. In the numerator we get 2 into 2x minus 5 into 5x, and right hand side as it is you copy it. Now on simplifying we get 4x minus 25x upon 10x square. The right hand keep as it is. Now the next step we get what? Minus 21x upon 10x square upon is equal to 1 upon 15. Now second last step you can see there, x and x square. When you cancel it, where numerator x is gone and we get what? Only denominator x will remain. So minus 21 upon 10x we get is equal to 1 upon 15 as it is. So here in the left hand side you will see 10x. Okay, 10x. That 10x we have to remove it. We can see in the next step. Multiply both the sides by 10x. So can you see both the sides 10x are multiplied. So on simplifying we get what? Minus 21 is equal to 2 upon 3x. Now we have to remove 3, the denominator 3. That's why we have to multiply both sides by 3. So minus 21 into 3 is equal to 2x upon 3. Can you see both the sides multiplied by 3? So on multiplying we get what? Minus 63 is equal to 2x we get. Now to remove the 2, in order to remove 2, to divide both the sides by 2. So minus 63 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 2x. So 2 gets cancelled, so we are left with x. So x is equal to, we can say, minus 63 upon 2. You can turn it other side and you can write it. Student.